Hello everybody. Today's video is about the Maths Proficiency Test MPT. In my previous video too, we discussed about Maths Proficiency Test. That video was about who is eligible or who has to appear for the Maths Proficiency Test. I would be taking up different questions this time, but for the same test we are talking about, MPT, you must have received, like all of you would have received an email regarding MPT, but we definitely are aware of that. We all are not supposed to give the test, so please watch the previous video, I would say, to see who has to appear for the test and who is okay not giving the test. I am going to take up questions one by one and try to answer as much as possible. The very first question is there any fee involved in giving MPT? No, there isn't any fee involved to give MPT. So that was a very common question that was asked in the DMs on Instagram. For those who are not connected through Instagram, this is my Insta handle, so you guys can go and see the other videos over there. The next question that was asked was, what are the passing requirements? I'm just reading the questions from the other side. What are the passing requirements for MPT? So you have to appear, you have to get 70% for MPT. If after the results you are not eligible, like you didn't clear off the exam, they would send you the email and you have to again register yourself and give the test again. Which takes me to my next question, that how many attempts are possible. So there are like unlimited attempts. You can keep on attempting it as many times as you want to. So that is the next question that has been asked regarding MPT. Talking about our next question, who's the one that handles this test? It is AQAO. We have discussed about it in our different videos, as in the other videos as well over the Instagram. So you can definitely go and see who they are, what they do, their official website and everything. How long is the test? Usually you are given 180 minutes, but they say that it gets finished off in around 120 minutes or so. So that's the timeline you get. Is it in person or online? So both the options are available when you will be registering for your MPT test. That is where they ask you want to give in person or you want to give the test online. So if you are taking it in person, if you're giving it in person, they are going to provide you the different locations which you can go. There's a tab over there you can select, and that's where you have to appear for your MPT test. So those are the different questions that have been asked in my DMs. One more, how long does the test takes? It takes 10 business days for the results, and the results are sent directly to Ontario College of Teachers if you are successful, and definitely you will receive the results as well. Where do you want to see the resources, like to study and everything? I am going to put the website over here, you guys can see it. Go click there, you will have all the links over there, what to do before the test, what to do after the test, what are some of the frequently asked questions, and some things you can do to prepare for the test. And this is the same site which you can use to register for your test as well. So if you feel like that you have to give the test, you have to appear for MPT for your file, you cannot so go ahead and register yourself beforehand. Again, you have to first register yourself, like your file should be there in the pool to get that application number, because while registering for MPT, they would be asking you your registration number which you got for the teacher's license file. So these are some of the things to keep in mind. But if you know that by February, again, that might be a clarification for many of you, by February 1, if you feel like that all your documents won't be completed on the teacher's license file, completed from their side too, not just from your side, from the other side too, like you get that document page as completed. If you think that's not going to happen, please go ahead, register yourself, and appear for your test. And yeah, good luck everyone. Let me know what other questions you have on maths proficiency test, so that if required I'll make another video and let you guys know. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day all of you, and maybe more videos to come in the future. Thank you. Bye bye.